husband and wives, or rather let's say spouses, they wonder when they get into marriage, what is happening. Now today, I want to discuss on signs your husband is fantasizing about another woman. How can you know? These are the signs I want to discuss this morning. One, he talks about other women. It may be your colleague, and most of the times he is talking about Jane, he is talking about Mary, he is talking about Catherine, he is talking about Beatrice, and then you wonder, what is happening? So you become very uncomfortable. But the main reason why he is talking about these women, which I've just mentioned, which are not real, they are imaginary names, you wonder, why is he mentioning these people? Then another thing, another reason is you find that he ended up calling you by another name. Let's say your name is Judy. You find your husband, most of the times he's calling you Catherine. Catherine, how are you? Yeah. Then you just wonder, is it that my husband is developing senile dementia? Is it that he is itching? No, he is not itching. It's because he is fantasizing with Catherine. Catherine is in his mind. So all the time he thinks about Catherine. Then you find that suddenly your husband develops new hobbies which he did in the time. He tries other hobbies, especially the ones he had shown he is not interested. Your husband had shown you never go to gym, but then you find that he has become a gym enthusiast. He was said he told you he has got phobia for water. I don't love swimming. All of a sudden tell you I have just bought swimming kits. Then you just wonder what is happening. He is fantasizing there's a character who is behind his mind, who is controlling his way of life. Then you find that he suddenly become too conscious of his appearance, which he didn't have. The other time he was just shaggy, but every morning now, he want to really groom himself, he want to match his clothes with the colors, and so he asks you, how do you see the way I look? He didn't used to ask you before, but there is someone who gives him compliments and he is happy about that. So that is one issue. You can understand your husband is living in a fantasy world. Another point is he gets an interest around you. You find that he is not concerned about you. He has not interest with you, both physical intimacy and even otherwise. Then you find that your husband is always on his phone. He didn't used to be addicted to his phone, but all of a sudden he is addicted to his phone. Sometimes you find even when he's going to the toilet or to the washrooms, he is carrying his phone. Then you wonder what has happened. Other times he used to leave his phone. And most of the times, he did not used to spend many hours over the phone. Even when he is eating, he is having the phone. So there is no time when he is not on the phone. Then you wonder, it's not a good that he is doing business with other people, but he has got addicted to that fantasy lady who is controlling his life. Then you find that you want to hang out with a certain lady more. You want to hang out with her more than you. You may not know, but he's having that lady. Then you find that sometimes when you have disagreed, or if there is something which has been arranged, let's say the table room or whatever, he tells you that I wish may so and so can teach you how to do these things. Otherwise, thank you very much. I hope these things I've discussed will help you to understand if your husband is living in a fantasy world, a world of imagination, but yet it is real, and sometimes he ends up translating this to a real thing, and then you find that within a short time, your husband has disappeared to an island which you could not expect, and sometimes you may never bring him back. Thank you very much. These are signals which you should use and make sure you utilize them, that unless you lose your husband to that mystery reading. Thank you very much. It's Mutiaru Kwaru, your family therapist and relationship coach, and from the YouTube channel, A Moment with Kwaru. Thank you, great people.